The principle of apical dominance is the tendency for the plants to grow faster in the apex, or the higher the branch, the faster it will grow. This is brought about by growth hormone regulation, but that's quite a difficult concept to explain here in YouTube. But for now, this is the phenomena. You will observe that the ones at the top grows faster than the ones here. Now, that's a problem, because what you would like to see in your bonsai is that the lower branches should be thicker than the upper branches. Okay, so the way to combat that is you frequently trim at the top. Then, even though the tendency is that this will have a late development compared to the bottom, but that's really the way to do it. You have to do the top pruning first, then the bottom will follow. You cannot really outgrow your top because of that apical dominance principle. Apical means at the apex, at the top of your tree, like this one here. See? So, apical dominance, that's the principle that you have to understand in order to shape your trees. Okay. So, actually this is yet a material, and these branches, thick ones, I grow it in a bigger pot, not like this one. So this is the first time transferred here, and from its transfer in this bonsai pot, this is the first trimming. Okay, so that's it. You trim the upper portion first, and probably leave the bottom branches untrimmed. So in this case, this one is left untrimmed to further thicken these branches. And you work on the upper branches. This is a semi-formed material, not yet a bonsai. A long way to go yet. Okay. Now, if you have branches like this going back to the trunk, that's not good, so you have to cut it off. You would like to see branches that is going out away from the trunk. So this one is also, but we can wire this actually. So you just leave it as it is. So this one also, probably you can wire like that. So leave it as it is. This one, yes. This one is going up, so you cut. So for the upper ones, you just cut and let grow another. Anyway, this is at the apex and can grow back quite vigorously. So somehow you control apical dominance. Do not worry if you cut too much at the apex. Eventually the apex cannot really lag too much behind. But if you have also to consider where your apex will be. So in this case, this is the apex, this is a branch, and this one I'll cut this shorter. Okay, this is the branch like that. To thicken this one, you have to let it go back. Since this is higher than this, so I can still cut that like that, and this one I can let grow wider. So in this case, how about this one? Yes, I can wire that, but since it is higher, it can grow faster. Okay, the more you cut actually, the better will be the shape of your branches, because it will not be in a straight in a straight form. So this one actually you can, this one's totally straight, this one you can wire. Okay, so this one you can wire, yes you can wire this one too. This one is too low down the trunk, so you don't need that. This one you can wire, this one you can wire like that. This one is underneath, you don't need that. This one also. Okay, well maybe this one is too high. I would like another, I'll just cut it off and maybe grow another at the side. Yes, and maybe go like this, or maybe underneath. Okay, so that's how to trim your material. Actually, this is yet considered material, far from getting into a bonsai. Again, this first time potting to a bonsai pot.